Ah, what a beautiful sunny day! On days like this, I like to go out on the balcony to tend my plants. Justin looks very relaxed. He likes the feeling of the breeze too. So, look at this! This is a freshly picked bamboo shoot. A friend of ours, Aine-san, dropped it off for us. This is my first time preparing a fresh bamboo shoot. What should I make with this? First, I need to prepare this for eating. It's not edible just yet. After thoroughly washing, we need to cut the top off first. Then cut through the outer layer like this. Put them into a pot. Cover with water. This is Mika, which is rice bran. This is what helps make the bamboo shoot edible. Pour some of this into the water. This is optional, but I'm adding 1 Takanotsume, which is a whole clove pepper. Bring it to a boil. Once it does, decrease the heat to low. Simmer the bamboo shoot for at least 2 hours. 3 hours is better. I'm placing a piece of parchment paper on top as a cover, as I don't have a pot large enough. If you have a pot big enough to cover the bamboo shoot, just cover with a lid. Since I have some time, I'll make myself a cup of tea. Okay, let's check the bamboo shoot. I'll turn it over once since my pot is so shallow. Let's continue to cook it until it's crisp tender. Looks ready! Now I'll wash and peel off the outer layers, which are too tough to eat. Then I'll cut them into smaller pieces. Wow, that's a lot of bamboo shoots. I'll have to place some in containers for later. Make sure to fill them with water so they stay fresh and don't dry out. I'll put them in the refrigerator for later. Now, let's wash some rice. I'm going to make takenoko gohan, which is bamboo shoot rice. It's a seasonal dish we make during springtime, and it's a bamboo season now. Also, Shinichi really likes takenoko gohan, so I will make this for him today. Once the water runs clear, set the rice to the side. I'll add the 1 sheet of aburaage, which is a deep-fried tofu pouch. It's oily, so make sure to blot the excess oil out with a paper towel. Cut the aburaage into small pieces like this. Now the seasonings. 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon mirin, 2 tablespoons sake. We also need 1 pack of dashi powder. This is magic. Add the amount of water to the rice according to your rice cooker's instructions. Put in the aburaage pieces. And finally, the pieces of takenoko or bamboo shoots. I like to put some nice pieces right on top. Cook as you normally would cook your rice. Ours should be done in 37 minutes. Looks like it's done. Let's see how it turned out. Oishisou, looks good. I'm making one more dish with the bamboo shoots. Place bamboo shoots onto a piece of foil. Fold in the corners because we need to add some seasonings. Keeping it simple, I'm adding 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon mirin, and 2 tablespoons of butter. Cover the whole thing with the foil and cook in a griddle or oven for about 20 minutes. Another option is to cook this on a frying pan. Super easy. I also want to use the spring cabbage we got from our friend. So I'll use some sliced cabbage to make miso soup. Boil some water, dissolve a packet of dashi powder, and then add the cabbage. Cook until the cabbage is just done. Turn off the heat before adding in the miso. We use about 2 tablespoons of miso, but you can adjust according to your taste. Dissolve the miso in the ladle. This way you'll avoid clumps of miso in the soup. Once the miso is dissolved, bring the soup to just before boiling. Turn off the heat and serve in the bowl with some chopped green onions. It's almost dinner time. Better hurry up. Shinichi, it's dinner time!
Wow, takenoko gohan! Everything looks so good!
Itadakimasu!
I love cabbage in miso soup. Oishii ne.
Thank you, Aine-san, for the cabbage.
And thank you, Aine-san, for the bamboo shoot.
What do you think?
So good. The taste of spring right in our home. This is the perfect meal, Satoshi. Thank you.
And it's beautiful today.
ごちそうさまでした. So what do you want to eat for dinner tomorrow?
I don't know. How about ordering pizza? Plus, I think it's time for me to make you dinner next time.
it's beautiful today. Hey,